Hello students, let us discuss about priority management in Java. It's a second part of multi-threading. In the previous part, we discussed about creating and managing threads. Topics I will cover in this video are: first of all, what is the meaning of priority? What are the various types of priority? What is the meaning of set priority? What is the meaning of get priority? And program to implement the concepts. Some brief concepts are there in the video. First of all, what is the meaning of priority? Before continuing with the computer programming, as the word suggests, priority means the fact or condition of being regarded or treated as more important than others. That is called priority. In our topic multi-threading, thread scheduler allocates processor to a thread based on priority of a thread. By default, some priority is there to a thread during creation of a thread. It can either be given by JVM, Java Virtual Machine, or a programmer. By default will be there by JVM, and if it's user defined or programmer defined, then it is given by programmer. Now what are the numbers given to the priority? Generally the accepted values of priority of the thread is between 1 to 10. What are the types of priority? Number 1 is min priority and value is 1. Second is norm priority, value is 5. And third is max priority, the value is 10. And the second priority here is the default priority. If there is no priority, means either or min or nor max, neither min nor max, then norm priority will be there and the value will be 5. Next, most important content is get and set priority. What is the meaning of get priority? Method returns priority of the given thread. Basically, we can print out the content by using get priority. And set priority, with the help of this priority, you can set the priority to the thread between 1 to 10. Now what about the programming concept? First of all, one class is there, extends thread by using thread class. Then one method is there. Inside the method, system.out.println name thread.current thread get name. First of all, getting name, then get priority, and we can print out the priority of the thread. And second block is the main block. In the first line, empty double one. Empty double one basically is the name of class. M1 is object, and with the help of new we are creating instance of that particular class. And second is M2, then M1 dot set priority, and I am giving minimum priority, then M2 dot set priority, then maximum priority, then M1 dot starts, obviously starting a first thread and starting off a second thread. Let us execute the program. It is the program. Class empty double one extends thread, public void run, then name, first of all name, then priority, empty double one, M1, new empty double one, then new empty double two, second, then M1 dot set priority and M2 dot set priority. First is min, second is max, then M1 dot start and M2 dot start. Let's compile the program, then execute the program. Okay, one thread is with priority 10 and other with 1. It means minimum and maximum priority. Hope you understand the concept of priority. Thank you for watching my video.